The future arrived quietly, while most people stayed busy watching the past unfold right before their eyes. New tools changed daily life first, but few noticed how fast their old world was slowly fading away. AI began doing tasks once thought human, yet many still treat it like simple software today, without concern. Small changes spread fast, turning once rare tech into tools almost anyone can use in daily life. The real shift isn't what machines can do, but what people stop doing because machines now can.
Some jobs will change first, while new roles appear for people who learn faster than others around them. The strange part is this: the biggest changes may already feel normal before we even notice them happening.
People waiting for the future may miss it, because tomorrow often begins as something small today, before growing.
The future didn't announce itself, it simply arrived, and now the real question is, who noticed it first?